How to record screen with face in OBS. Here you can see plus button, click it here. You can enter the name, screen recording, click OK. Here you can see sources, click on plus button. Here you can see Mac operating system screen capture, click OK. Now to add face, click on video capture device, click OK. Here you can see iPhone camera if your iPhone has attached, iPhone desk view camera or FaceTime HD camera. If you have an external camera, it will also show here. Click on FaceTime HD camera. You can see my face here. You can adjust according to your requirements, here, here or here. Now after that, click on start recording. Now it is recording your screen with your face. Click on stop recording. As you can see, this is the file. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.